Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 free trading tools that every trader needs. We're going to be looking at the tools that I use, and honestly, the great thing about these is they're free, so it's not going to cost you anything, and there's going to be a link to all of them down below. So make sure you guys check them out as we go on. If you're like, oh, I like this one, there's a link down below. It really helps out the channel when you guys do that. But if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's fantastic. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, everything a trader needs to become a new and full-time trader. So check it out down below. And we have a new tier program, which is really exciting. We're going to be rolling it out, and you guys can start learning to trade for as little as $49. So check it out down below. You won't regret it. And let's dive into this. But before we do, let's have a quick word from today's sponsor, which is Moomoo. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. Now, Mumu is actually the first tool I want to talk about. I know they sponsored today's video, but honestly, I've been using them for 7 years. Before they sponsored my videos, before anything. And the reason why is because they make the best broker. They're the best broker. And why I say that is because they're what you call a direct access broker. Now, a company like Robinhood is not. How Robinhood makes money is they send the order to often a hedge fund or a middleman, and that broker and that hedge fund will send that order to the exchange. So let's just say you want to purchase a stock for $1, Robinhood's going to send it to the hedge fund for like 95 cents. They're going to send it for 92 cents. And so you're never getting the best available price compared to Moomoo, which instantly sends the order to the exchange so you can get the best available price. Also, as a new trader, one of the things that I think is incredibly important is to paper trade. Paper trading is using simulated money to practice your entry, your exit, your risk management, so you can be confident, build a strategy for no money. After you do that, right after you build that setup, you build that strategy that works well for you, another cool thing that Mumu has is fraction shares. So it's a great way where you guys can just put in a little bit of money. And if you don't even put in any money at all and you just want to learn to trade, you can do that. So it's fantastic. So if you're just getting started, I would highly recommend checking them out. There's a link down below where you guys can sign up. And honestly, they're the best broker, in my opinion, that I've ever had for trading. And I've used almost every single broker out there. And they have a lot of new AI tools, great scanners to find opportunity and all of that stuff. So check them out down below. And honestly, the biggest drawback to Moomoo is just the account. You can't have like IRAs and all that stuff. It's just a trading account, which as a trader, it's not that big of a deal because you're constantly withdrawing from that account if you're a profitable trader like myself. So you withdraw from that account. And if you had like a IRA, Roth IRA, there's a lot of tax implications that would cause, which wouldn't make it the best. So Moomoo, they're fantastic. And that's really the only major downside that I've came across is there's no like long-term account that you can switch from. But all right, let's move on to the second free tool. The second free tool here is going to be Finviz. Finviz is a free stock scanner that a lot of traders use, like myself, to find opportunity. A lot of people and new traders think you need to have like these super expensive scanners, like with trade ideas that cost upwards of $100 and $200 per month. So without making any money, you have to make a minimum of $100 or $200 a month just to break even from a scanner. So for me, Finviz is absolutely fantastic and they are completely free. The biggest downside to it is for the free version, they are 15 minutes delayed. But as a swing trader, it's really not that big of a deal being delayed 15 minutes because you're holding positions for weeks at a time. So 15 minutes is a very small price to pay for long-term success. Now, I absolutely love all things about it. You know, they have a lot of great tools, they have a lot of great criterias, and you guys can save scanners so you can reuse them over and over again. So I absolutely love them, and I think every trader should have that in their arsenal. All right, the third tool that I use is Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance, in my opinion, is probably one of the best news sites, and it's a great site to keep up to date with the company's fundamentals. So, like their cash flow, their revenue, all that stuff. And a lot of what they have is a lot of analyst predictions. Like if you're looking at, let's just say Apple, it'll often say, oh, it has a price target by JP Morgan at like $100. And if the stock's trading for, $50, you could go, okay, maybe this is a good opportunity. So having a good, a good site like that's very, very important. And they do have some really, really cool news on there, so you can stay up to date with news. But I think having a new site that has good fundamentals, all that stuff is very, very important for a trader and investor in the market. So guys, these are the top 3 tools that I use almost every single day as a full-time trader in the market. And like always, if you guys want to sign up, there's a link to all of them down below. So I'll see you guys in there. Make sure you guys like, follow, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.